Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to swap multiple faces in a group photo for free, no login required and only using your phone. It's super quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, we'll be using an app called RemakeFace AI, this one. If you don't have it yet, just download it from the Play Store. And don't worry, it's 100% free and you don't need to create an account. And once it's installed, just go ahead and open the app like this. Now just tap on multiple face, this one, and here's just upload a group photo where you want to swap the faces. And the cool part is RemakeFace AI will automatically detect every face in the picture like this, so you don't need to select them one by one. Next, just upload the new face that you want to apply. And like this, and then you can choose the swap modes. There are standard and ultra. Standard mode is best for most cases. It's fast and clean. Meanwhile, ultra mode is slower but gives you more detail if you need it. And in this tutorial, I will try to choose ultra mode. And once you have selected your mode, just hit swap face. And okay, like this. After a few seconds, already will your photo will be ready with all the face swap. Sometimes the expressions might slightly change to match the new face, but overall the results are very realistic and looks great like this. And that's it, you have just learned how to do a multi-face swap for free with no login and only using your phone. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!